Mom, can you give me my Switch? My Switch.
Get it. It's buried.
It's right there.
No, it's not. Yeah, but it's buried.
Yeah.
Really buried up there.
I'm tired. Sort of.
I don't know. I don't even find your bag.
It's right there. When you say my mom is not my slave, can you not talk like that, please? I just said, can she please give my Switch? I asked politely. I never said, you must get it. Jesus Christ.
Here.
Thank you. Okay, we got it. Here.
Okay.
Mamachu coughing out alone while Tofia pretends to not hear her.
What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, kiss it. Okay, here we go.
Me time is Melt's time. It's cheesy, so
No.
loaded with
This is the one. Hey.
cravings come.
My nose is super itchy. I have a pimple that I think. God was one of. I keep thinking because like Austin Powers was on not too long ago, and like when Dr. Evil was like when he sings the one part in the movie and he's like, what if God was one of us? And he's like, just a slob like one of us.
No. Come here.
Sorry, Mr. Road shopping. Let's find out who
He did that on purpose. Bro, you did that on purpose.
This kid was born dead, then brought back to life.
know, I can't think. Because now all it's showing is Backstreet Boys. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. I think that was the song that I picked. But,
What if someone still calls it?
No, you got alone. What up?
Ma, you... What are you willing to do? Tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, kiss it. I gave up hope fighting my dog because I can't call. They left it there and like. This is just everything that I've listened to, all the albums. So we took cough medicine. Uh-oh. That's not good. Whenever...
If it goes past 1200, it was worth more. Yeah, there's that one, and there's those two over there. I let you know because you played so much in the machine.
She's done. She says stop trying. You can see it for yourself. I wouldn't advise gifting. People don't believe me. But this, yeah. Like I even said on my live stream when I saw it. Her name is Ash. She's going viral for NPC, but actually unavailable or something like that. I'm pretty sure that's who it is, but wait, before we start this playlist, hold on. That kind of works. Okay, guys, we're...
30 a.m. Just experienced something unexpected.
Thank you for the glizzy.
During the round of business live, get
Thank you for the heart.
SRP on all
For sharing. Thank you for the heart. I cannot go in there as myself and be like, hey, don't talk about me like that. Since I'm not allowed in your Discord. Since I'm not allowed in the Discord, I'm just going to say it on my live stream. These little ass kids pretending to be over the age of whatever age they put down are literally in the Discord talking about me sexually and then proceeding to call me daddy in a freaking voice message. It's weird. Ugh.
Honestly,
I
guys,
don't know.
I used to never wear underwear.
This is little kid. It's just weird. These kids are lying about their age in the Discord, and yet the Discord has nothing to say.
Just This is scams.
If you got a military.
What was I gonna say? I was gonna say something and I forgot. Cause I talk about Ash Trevino and other people. I don't care what people say, like, oh, you need this. I'm gonna talk about them. So, I'm trying to think. There was something about Ash Trevino I was gonna say, but I forgot. I'll remember it. And it was something recently too, and now I can't remember. My opinions are not garbage. And first of all, opinions are to be given for a reason, especially if they're out there in the public. How is it garbage when literally the only reason why Ash Trevino brought up the situation of her daughters having a bed was because of me? Why don't you address that? Because I'm the one that gets people to talk shit about their issues, right? When I mentioned her daughters didn't have no beds, which other people mentioned that too, when I mentioned it, all of a sudden she comes out and says, like, she's a liar, right? She had a rock thrown through her window. She hangs out with all these minors. My opinions are not trash considering the fact that you're fake political justice warriors. You come on this app and try to say I'm a predator this, I'm that, but then turn around and defend the very people that are doing stuff. Is that not weird? You literally defend people that are racist. Talking about I'm racist. Black people can't be racist. Let's get into that. You don't care about the stuff you talk about. Especially considering people walk around using the F slur in messages too. And I have proof of someone using the F slur. But you're not going to cancel them or say anything to them, are you? Calling someone saying he is the F slur. Like, it's so hypocritical. Like, at this point, I care less because I'm getting paid. As long as I keep getting paid, that's all I could worry about. As long as I keep making money.
Mamachu makes deadly coughs and wheezes for air.
Literally, like, animating on the outside. Let me tell you something. That was the most beautiful gaming thing I've ever seen in my life, and now I want one. I want to be blessed with that thing for like a gift or something. That is something I would want for my birthday, but if it's expensive,
Mamachu struck down
if
by
lucky,
whooping
but the
cough.
ad revenue on YouTube is just horrible. They literally, you get paid through AdSense, ad revenue. And Meta thinks that everyone is going to leave TikTok and go to Meta. So that's why they revoked incentives, meaning paying people to post reels. So here's the thing. You won't get paid posting reels. So there's no point because you're not making any money on Instagram and you're not going to make any money on Facebook either because Facebook is Meta. So they're removing all the incentives, meaning from Facebook and Meta. So all those people are like, yeah, I make money on Facebook. I make money on Instagram. It's like, I can just easily go there. They're removing all of that. They're literally, my mom is fine. They're literally removing all of that, meaning that you only have like a few options. Twitch takes a lot of percentage of your subs unless you're like, what's his name, Corey? He's
You go in the middle of when there's a bunch. He does.
no, they have to get one. You have to get one.
Watching. Look forward to more videos. Anyway, bye ho.